Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Sharina. For all of my new subscribers and all of my existing subscribers, thank you. We just hit 12K. Anyway, today is a super fun video because we're going to be doing a review on TeckWrap vinyl. So if you're into crafts, I'm pretty sure you know about TeckWrap vinyl. They're known for their durability, their longevity, most important quality. They have tons of good reviews. So let's get into the video. Here's the box that TeckWrap sent me today. It's full of nice little goodies. We're going to be making 3 projects, 2 t-shirts and a cup. And this package is t-shirt transfers. So t-shirt transfers are used to put photos onto your shirts or pictures onto your shirts. It can be used with any inkjet printer. No special printer is needed. What I like about this package is that the instructions are on the front. The paper size is A4. That's not your traditional size paper size, so pay close attention to that when you're printing out your images. There is also some HTV heat transfer vinyl in the box, and the colors green, red, yellow, and white. I did recognize that the rolls are a little shorter than regular HTV vinyl rolls, but then I realized that these are actually pub vinyl. So pub vinyl is just like HTV, is used just like HTV. It just gives a 3D effect once you place it on your shirt. There are also a few craft vinyl rolls, so these are just like your permanent vinyl rolls. We have a few greens, pinks, and purples. I love these colors because they're shiny and they have that metallic look, so these colors really stand out on cups because they're shiny. So be sure to check my description box for the link so that you can purchase all of these straight from TeckWrap's website. In this cute little bag are tools for your weeding. So these are tweezers. I call these tweezers. Not sure what they're called, but they look like tweezers, so I'm gonna call them that. And these are used to pick up your vinyl pieces, small pieces. And they also send a weeding pen. So the weeding pen is used for those very, very tiny, stubborn pieces. These will help you with that as far as your weeding process. And this is a squeegee or a scraper, whatever you want to call it. But people don't know that these ridges are used. These ridges have a purpose. So if you lay this flat and you're going to make a cup, you can lay your cup on that and it will hold the cup or whatever project you're working on steady and in place. Okay guys, so as stated before, we're going to be making 3 projects, 2 of which are shirts and a cup. So I have already cut my images out on my pub vinyl. My yellow and white pub vinyl, my images are already cut out. I didn't do that on camera. But I want to make you aware of, using the craft vinyl, that's pretty much like your permanent vinyls, there is a protective film on your vinyl. So you will need to remove the protective film before you cut your image out on your Cricut machine. So again, before you cut your images out on your Cricut machine or whatever cutting machine you're using, remove the clear protective film. This film is to ensure that your vinyl doesn't get crinkled. Make sure that your vinyl doesn't have bubbles in it, which I think is great that TeckWrap does this. So remove the clear film before you cut your images out. Now that I have the images cut out that I want to use on my craft vinyl, I'm going to use my tools to weed. As you can see, the weeding pen is perfect for these small pieces. As I stated before, those small intricate pieces can be a headache, and the weeding pen is perfect for that. I do recommend getting you a weeding pen, especially if you're going to cut real tiny small pieces. Now I'm going to use some transfer paper so that we can layer this image. It's going to be 2 colors, this lime green and this rose gold. It's going to be 1 image, and this is actually going to go on a cup. So we're going to work on our cup project first. And I mean, the vinyl layered perfect. Like, I seen no air bubbles at all. It lay flat, no bumps, no ridges. You know, sometimes vinyl can crinkle up. I did not have that problem at all, and it's just gonna lay so flat on the cup that it's almost perfect. So this cute cup I had in the storage, it's pink and lime green, which matched perfect with the image. But I got this cup, it was actually a 5-pack from Walmart. And they're color changing cups, the typical color changing cups that they put out during the spring or summertime. So I had this cup and I thought, well, heck, I used that cup and it turned out so pretty. Look how the colors matched up perfect. But wait till I load it with ice water and see the color change. I also really like the fact that this vinyl did not lift when I was removing the transfer tape. A lot of vinyl will lift if your transfer tape is just a little too strong, and I did not have this issue, and as you can see, my transfer tape is really sticky. After I added the ice water, the cup changed purple, which is gonna look so pretty once I turn the cup around for you to actually see. But look how flat that vinyl laid. Look how pretty that looks. So for our second project, we're going to be making a shirt using the puff vinyl, and we're going to be using the colors yellow and white. So again, I'm using my weeding tools to weed the vinyl, and this weeds just like regular HTV. Again, you use the puff vinyl just like regular HTV. You're going to mirror it just like your regular HTV. The only difference is that the time settings and the temperature settings are slightly different than the HTV vinyl, and this produces a 3D effect. It's going to actually puff off the shirt. So the time settings that I use for puff vinyl is 315 degrees Fahrenheit, and I heat it for 15 seconds. You don't want to overheat it. If you overheat it, the vinyl will not puff. So 15 seconds, 10 to 15 seconds is perfect for this vinyl at the temperature 315 degrees Fahrenheit. And here's the finished product. As you can see, it's puffing and it's lifting off the shirt, producing that 3D effect. And I think this yellow and white looks so good on this baby blue. For our third project, we're going to be using the heat transfer vinyl. As you can see, the registration marks are on my picture because I use Cricut Design Space. But you can use whatever software you want to print out your photo. Just remember to remove the white borders from around your photo. I'm going to heat press this shirt at 320 for about 25 to 30 seconds. I'm going to heat it first just to make sure that the moisture is out, but as you can see, I removed all the white border from around my picture. There is a backing on your transfer paper. Remove the backing from your t-shirt transfers. If you don't remove the backing, the picture will not stick to your shirt, so remove the backing. Line your picture up on your shirt how you would like it, and again, you want to heat press your shirts at 320 for about 25 to 30 seconds. That's a good temperature point for these transfers, and you should be fine. I didn't mention that you do need to cover your image with a cover sheet, and a cover sheet also comes in the pack with the t-shirt transfers, so you don't have to use a Teflon sheet. The transfers come with a cover sheet to cover your image during the heat press process. So that is good. You don't have to worry about any Teflon sheets. I would use the cover sheets that come with the transfers. And this is the outcome. The image is so smooth, like it's so sleek, like it's almost part of the fabric. It lays so flat. And that's it, guys. This is our third project. So we've completed 3 projects with our TeckWrap box, and that's a wrap for our projects. Well, guys, that is it for the video. Don't forget to look down in the description box. I have the link there for you that will take you straight to TeckWrap's site. And don't forget to use the promo code also in the description to save you some money, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was fun. Don't forget to check out some of my other videos and follow my socials, and bye.